Hello and welcome to Outer Orbit, our little companion podcast. This week, live from the ISAM Conference 2025. I'm your host, Dallas Campbell, and today we're going to be hearing all about the importance of standardization.
We're entering an era where servicing, upgrading, refueling, and even assembling spacecraft on orbit are no longer the stuff of science fiction. Missions like Northrop Grumman's MEVs and MRV, Astroscale's ELSA and ADRAS missions, ESA's Clear Space, UKSA's Cosmic and Clear missions have shown that ISAM technologies are not only possible, they're increasingly necessary. But here's the challenge. The orbital environment is congested, diverse, and largely unregulated when it comes to servicing interfaces, safety protocols, or design principles. Without standards, every mission becomes bespoke, which means expensive to design, hard to ensure, and nearly impossible to scale. Standards provide the common language that enables safe and interoperable servicing operations, lower mission risk and cost, easier regulatory approval, and a stronger case for investment in this growing sector.
We know very well that current satellites are designed, built, and launched into space not to be serviced and repaired. And we know that there is a lack of plug-and-play architecture, and that's why we are pushing and discussing very much modularity and modular platforms. What I observed in some of the accelerator projects doing in-orbit satellite servicing, they'll be developing a robotic arm, which will be at a certain TRL level, but that the grippers will be at different TRL levels. So there is a lot of complexity, and the TRL levels of the different technologies or concepts are completely different. The other issue is also time to market. Too long, unknown profits, and unclear markets, very different value chains. The direct benefits from interoperability and direct cost savings are not clearly defined, a topic on which I do believe we need to touch on strongly in the future.